Scene script. Imagine a holiday season without the traditional smells wafting from your kitchen. Picture a festive table without the signature dishes that make the season special. Sounds unthinkable. Unfortunately, with ongoing food shortages worldwide, this could become a reality. But fear not, because with a little foresight and preparation, we can still keep the holiday spirit alive, one pantry item at a time. Welcome to a vital report on the importance of stocking up holiday pantry items amidst the ongoing food crisis. It's not just about ensuring our kitchens are well stocked for the holidays, it's also about lending a hand to those less fortunate. This year, global food shortages have hit hard. The shelves in supermarkets are often bare, and the prices of essential commodities have soared. Families across the world are finding it increasingly difficult to put food on the table. It's a grim reality, but one that we must confront. The holiday season, a time of joy, togetherness and indulgence, is right around the corner. It's when we bake our favourite cookies, roast the juiciest turkey, and whip up that mouth-watering casserole. But with the shortage of ingredients, these cherished traditions might be in jeopardy. Here's where a well-stocked holiday pantry comes to the rescue. A pantry filled with essential items like flour, sugar, canned goods and spices can be a lifesaver during these challenging times. It ensures that we have the necessary ingredients at hand to continue our holiday cooking traditions no matter what. But stocking up isn't just about our own needs. It's also about helping those who might not have the means to do so. As we shop for our holiday pantry, consider picking up extra items for those less fortunate. Food banks, shelters, and community centres are in dire need of donations, and your contribution can make a significant difference in someone's holiday season. It's about creating a ripple effect of kindness and generosity. A box of pasta, a can of soup, or a bag of rice might seem insignificant to us, but for someone struggling to put food on the table, it could mean a world of difference. So, as we navigate through these challenging times together, remember the importance of stocking up and helping others. By doing so, we can ensure that the holiday season remains a time of joy, warmth, and abundance, even amidst a global crisis. If you found this report useful and want to stay updated with more such information, consider hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps us to continue spreading the word and making a difference. Remember, every little bit counts, and together we can make this holiday season a little brighter for everyone. Because after all, the true spirit of the holidays lies not just in the food we cook, but also in the love and kindness we share.